In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GeForce Experience or NVIDIA App cannot optimize games error. First, open Task Manager, click on the Details tab, and sort the list alphabetically by clicking the Name column or pressing N. Find anything related to NVIDIA, select it, and click End Task. Repeat this for every NVIDIA process until they're all closed. Once everything is shut down, open the Run dialog or File Explorer, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Inside that folder, press N to jump alphabetically and look for the NVIDIA Corporation folder. Open it, then go into whichever app you're using, either GeForce Experience or NVIDIA App. The steps are identical for both. Just pick the one installed on your system. Inside that folder, locate the CefCache folder and delete it. After deleting it, empty your recycle bin and restart your PC. That should resolve the issue. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, a like and subscribe would mean a lot.